TI-83 or 84 graphing calculator can be used to determine the equations and slopes of tangents to various curves using the graphing features of the calculator. So in order to do so, what we want to do is we want to first graph our function. So I'm going to go to my y equals and put x squared. So we're going to look at the simple quadratic equation y equals x squared. Then what you want to do is set your window so it applies to appropriate values that you can see in your graph. So you can see my x min is at -5 and my x maximum value is at 5. And my x scale, what my graph is going up by, is 1s. And then my y min and max are -10 to 10. So when I look at the graph, I see a parabola representing that curve. In order to find the slope or the equation of a tangent, we want to use the calculator to draw the tangent. So in order to do so, we press the second function button and then the program button. You can see above the program there's a blue word that says draw. It gives us several things we can draw, but number 5, so I hit number 5, asks me to draw a tangent. And then it says, where do you want the tangent to be drawn? So for the first one, I'm going to draw a tangent at x equals 1. So I press 1 on my calculator and enter. And you can see it draws a tangent, a line that touches a curve at one point, x equals 1, and then continues onward. What's important about this, what we're going to be using most, is the equation down below, y equals 2x plus -1. In particular, when drawing tangents to curves, the slope of the tangent, that coefficient 2, is important in making predictions using the derivative and other features. We can also get it to draw tangents at any other point on the curve. So if I press my second function and program button again, and then the number 5, it says where do we want to draw the curve? So I'm going to draw the next one at x equals -2. And press enter. You can see it draws a new line with a new equation, y equals -4x plus -4. That -4 coefficient of x is important in finding the derivative and working in introductory calculus.